In this video, I will teach you how to add, reply, assign, edit, delete, and resolve a comment along with user modes in Google Docs. To add a comment in Google Docs, select the text you would like to comment on and click the comment icon that appears on the right side of the page. You can also right-click on the highlighted text and select Comment. If you decide you no longer want to comment, you can hit Cancel at any point. To finalize the comment, click the Comment button. The commented text will now be highlighted in yellow. If after a comment has been created and you would like to reply, click on that comment and in the box that appears, type your reply. To mention someone in a comment, create a new comment and then type the @ sign and start typing their name. If the person's name appears, you can click it to finish the autofill. You can assign multiple people in one comment. Each person you mention will receive an email once the comment has been finished. You can also assign a comment to an individual by clicking this checkbox. This means that they will be the one responsible to mark the comment as done. They will also receive an email to notify them. After posting a comment, you can edit or delete the comment. To do this, select the comment you created that you would like to edit, and then select these 3 little dots. From here, you can choose to edit or delete your comment. Once you have completed with a comment, you can mark them as done so they no longer appear. To do this, hover over the comment and click the checkbox to the right of the name of the commenter. To view the comment history for the document, select the comment icon in the far right upper corner. There are 3 different modes an account can be on. Currently, I am in editing mode, and I can change any of the text on the page, comment, and use all of the features. A second mode is suggestion mode. In this mode, every edit the user makes becomes a suggestion that the editor can later approve or deny. Once back in editing mode, to approve a suggestion, click on the check mark of that suggestion. To deny a suggestion, select the X. The last mode is a view-only mode. In this mode, you can only view the document to read it or to print it. If you have any additional questions, please contact the Tech Bar to make an appointment at techbar.night.domains. Thank you for watching.